In this video, I want to show you the best way to move your documents folder from your system drive to another drive. What I'm gonna show you also applies to the music folder, videos, and other personal folders. So in my example here, if you go to this PC, you see I have documents, music, pictures, videos, desktop, and if you see the properties of documents, let's say, and you click on location, you see that it is on the system drive, which is drive C. So I installed a new drive in my PC, which is drive D here, and I want to move these documents to this drive. I'm gonna show you the new drive. It's completely empty. So the way to do this is two steps. The first step is to change the location of the new documents. You need to go to the settings. So in Windows 10, click on the Start menu and then click on Settings. In Settings, click on System, and here click on Storage. You see here that you have Change where new content is saved. Click on it, and you have these options. For the applications, I've already made a prior video on how to move the applications. You can look in the description for this video. But here, the topic of this video is the documents. So you have here the documents, music, photos, movies, and TV shows, which are also the videos. And you see here you have your offline maps. So for this video, I'm gonna change where the documents will be saved. So click here on the drop-down arrow. Of course, here Windows will detect the drive that you have in your PC. Here I have the D drive, and I want to move the documents to D drive, so click on D. And then for music also, I'm gonna move them. And then for photos also, and for movies also. And now after you select the drive, click Apply next to each one. So this configuration here will redirect only the new content to be saved on drive D. Now the second step is to move the existing documents to drive D. So now if you open drive D, you see it automatically created a folder with your username, and under this folder it created also the documents, music, and pictures and videos folders. By the way, if you have many users on the PC, each user should do this configuration in order to redirect his or her documents and music and videos and so on. So here now, to move them once and for all, for each one of these, I'm gonna show you, here it is empty. You right click on the original one, you click on Properties, and then Location, and here under Location, click on Move, and then go to Drive D, and you choose for each one the corresponding one. So for documents, choose Documents, and then click Select Folder, and then click OK. And here it's very important to select Yes, so that all the documents will be moved. Here it will tell you the old location and the new location. So click on Yes, and now the documents are moved. If I'm gonna show you here, you see that my documents were moved. So I'm gonna repeat this for music, pictures, and videos. Properties for music, location, move. So I'm gonna do it very quickly. And the last one is videos. Okay, so now everything is moved. Now what if you want to move also the desktop location, which is here under the C drive, to the D drive? You can do this also. To do this, the best way to do it is here. Right click under the D drive, your username, and then select new folder, and simply create a folder called Desktop. Hit Enter to create the folder, and then here, right click on Desktop, Properties, Location, Move, and select Desktop, select Folder, OK, and yes. And now your desktop location is located, if you see, it is under Drive D. And you can also do this for downloads and 3D objects. Now, what if you want to move the folder back to the system drive? So it's basically the reverse order, but there's a small catch, so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna here move back, let's say, the documents to the system drive. So the first thing to do, of course, is to go to Settings, and then here you choose your system drive, and then you click Apply under Storage. So this is Settings Storage. And then minimize this, and you right-click on Documents, you choose Properties, and then for location here, you click on Restore Default. So it will restore the system drive as you see, and then you click on OK. But this is the catch I was telling you about. The Documents folder was deleted from the system drive. So simply here, click Yes to recreate it, and then Yes to move the folder and its content, and then OK once again. So it is moving it now. So now you see it disappeared from Drive D, and it is back under Drive C. I'm gonna show you where you can find it. So here it is under Drive C, and these are the documents in it. So that was it. I hope this video was helpful to you. And if you think this video will help others, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.